So, boom! Listen, guys. So, it's official, yeah? It's fucking official. That the Charity Shield is now a trophy. It's official, yeah? So, all them jokes people were running 2 weeks ago about Arsenal's percentage being 35 in terms of trophies won. Now, look, the greatest ever manager, ever, says that the Charity Shield is a trophy. And not just him. Jurgen Klopp also said it, and so did Jose the Shaitan Mourinho. Also claim it as a trophy. This is going to upset a lot of banter fans. Fans that just watch football for banter and not the actual football itself. Because they've been using this stick to beat Arsenal with for a very long time. They say Arteta's not won a trophy. So Arteta's won 2 trophies. So 2 Charity Shields, which is a trophy, and 1 FA Cup. Sorted. Good. Science.